Namaskar. So we'll start our meditation. We're only few minutes behind the time. Meditation is going beyond the time. So from behind the time, we'll jump now to go deep into ourselves, a deep meditation. So let's sit comfortably, easily. See, meditation is the food for our soul. So let's first meditate. After that, I will talk a little bit, right? Main course, meditation is the main course. All other talks and everything is like dressing the salad. It's just sprinkling on top of the dessert. Okay, so let's go to the main dish. Okay. Circumstances, environment, it is reminding us again and again how ephemeral our lives are, how temporary our lives are, right. So, let us go to the very core of our existence, our spirit. Sit comfortably, easily, with your back straight and close your eyes. Let us take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Feel the sound enveloping you, your body, your mind, and the environment. Like the fragrance or the incense, smoke from the incense which spreads in the whole atmosphere. The sound vibrations from our body is resonating now in the atmosphere around us and in our mind. With this feeling, repose in yourself. Become aware of a thin string passing from the base of the spine all the way to the top of the head. take your attention away from any sensation in the body to this string which is in the very center of our body. A gentle attention without much effort. You may take a few deep breaths if you feel like. Observe the lightness that dawns as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, notice the heaviness in the body. As you breathe in, you feel lighter, you defy the gravitation, and as you breathe out, you agree with the gravitational force. सांस लेते वक्त शरीर में हल्कापन महसूस हो सकता है और सांस छोड़ते वक्त शरीर भारी भी हो सकता है। Like a balloon, as you fill yourself with air, you feel lighter, and as you breathe out, you feel the weight. Relax more and more. You need not listen to the instruction intently, just easily. Whatever you can hear, that is good enough. Mind may wander here and there. Come back to the awareness that you are meditating now. Honor the life force within you. This is your most precious gift. Your life itself is a gift to you. As though every cell of our body is saying grateful, is feeling grateful. Repose in this state right now. Repose with a sense of gratefulness. We become whole when we feel grateful. Without any effort, just keep listening to the instructions. Become aware of the space in your room. Become aware of the walls and ceiling and the floor. Just become aware of the space in the room you are in. If you are sitting outside, just become aware of the space all around you. And the stars and the sky above you. Once again, let's become aware of the central now or the central stream. Keep relaxing your body and your mind. Now let go of all your efforts. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Totally let go of all your efforts. Om Namah Karananandarupini Parachinmai Virajate Jagaschitra Chitra Darpana Rupini. Om Namo Om Namah Om Namo Namah Karanananda Rupini Parachinmai Virajati Jagaschitra Chitra Darpana Rupini. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, you may gently open your eyes. That's good, no? You know, meditation is the answer for all mental issues that we are facing today in the world. Yeah, meditation. So you do meditation every day. There are so many guided meditations. Okay, yoga nidra, guided meditation, some pranayam. All this we must continue doing. What do you say? Yeah, and encourage everyone to do. Encourage people to do meditation. In the past few months, Art of Living teachers and volunteers have been doing wonderful service, great service in teaching people meditation, helping them to come out of the lows, that the blues that they are in, helping them to also materially helping them to find resources and solace. See, meditation brings both solace and strength. Those who are sad, they need solace, and those who feel weak to handle situation, they need strength. Meditation gives both. And each one of you, I tell you, you are very precious, because you are doing meditation. You are not just doing for yourself. When you are meditating, even if you are doing for yourself, when you are meditating, what you are creating around is something fantastic. You are creating positive ions, you are creating positive vibrations around, and that will take care of the collective consciousness in society. Yeah? So, it is very important that you continue meditation every day, every single day. That not only gives you strength, it will also bring solace to many others around. Yeah? So don't forget to do meditation, come what may. It should be part of our routine. I mean, this is the main thing actually. And let me also take this opportunity to congratulate our volunteers around the globe and teachers who are tirelessly working or engaged in some or other service projects everywhere. That's so wonderful work they have done all over. I am tweeting every day, little bit here, whatever information I get, but lot more work that they are all doing. And I also tell you all, teachers and all, you take care of yourself too. Okay? Don't be too over enthusiastic and not at the cost of your own health. You must take care of your health and then do whatever you can, that anyway you are all doing. And today our Sri Sri University has also launched many programs, about 40 new programs, innovations and all that. That's very good. We need to create more positive environment, and each one of you can be a lighthouse at this time of the time that the whole world is going through, very tough time the world is going through. This will be over, these lockdowns and all this will be over, things will become normal. Don't worry, this will not be the new normal. Actually things will all come to the original how we were before the pandemic. Having this intention, vision and strength, I want all of you to go ahead and spread positivity and enthusiasm in people. You know, the beauty of our path, this path is that you can have fun, you can be joyous, at the same time you also have a depth which is so beautiful. And when we see death and destruction all around, this compels us to think about life, how temporary our life is. This will kindle that inner wisdom in you, the reality, the truth, that there is something that is eternal, and this relative world, the relative existence is ever changing, is temporary. Nothing you can hold on here. One day we have to let go of everything, right? So, this will help you to peep beyond, look beyond the material relative existence into something that is the true nature of our being. This knowledge gives you depth, at the same time being natural and having fun also. That will be true fun. You can have true fun when the world appears to be a dream to us. Don't you think so? Innocence and not be too heavy, being lighter in our approach towards events and with everything. At the same time, nurturing wisdom within us and gaining the depth of this. So, these situations that the world is facing today brings out the compassion in us and make us to think beyond the relative world, the universe we are in. It helps us to see that there is ponder on the meaning of life, nature of consciousness, nature of spirit, all this. Nice. Okay. All the best to everybody, and all the volunteers. You have been doing wonderful work. IAHV and Art of Living has done so much good service. I have been doing all these years, and in the past few months I have done wonderful work. And today also in India we have launched Mission Zindagi, where we will enhance this work further with many others joining from film fraternity and all others to be available. That this is the real human quality, that the amount of response we are getting, the encouragement that is happening among the youth especially to come out and serve is really heartwarming. People are ready to help others. Love and blessings to all of you, and you are the lighthouse, as I said, continue to shine on the planet. Bye.